control in a number of unique ways using companion application or control button on the phone itself, allowing you to enjoy a silent breeze of air or relax using the integrated sound machine that can be controlled using the companion phone application selecting from 10 different fan speed independent control of air and sound crack the fan noise of make it silent plus scheduling temperature sensing start stop and more breeze ultra silent fan and relaxing sound machine space sleep price elevate pleasure are now available for the interesting project from Rally $119 or 87 pounds depending on current exchange rate, offering a considerable discount of approximately 34% of the retail price, while the Kickstarter crowdfunding is underway. We took what we learned from making the best sound machine on the market and put it into a smart bedroom fan on which the sound is just as important as the air. For most fans, the sound is the byproduct we decide to make a primary feature. If the brain can compare successfully price, it requires Plazagon and the project progress smoothly worldwide. Shipping is expected to take place sometime around May 2022. To learn more about the project, play the promotional video below. The primary fund directs are out around the acoustic hub to cool you up. If you a broad motor, so there's no motor. Noise and the place were engineered to be whispered quiet. The sound impeller can be adjusted to provide the perfect amount of fun sound for your bedroom or go complete. Silent if you prefer the turn adjustment dial on low. You choose adjust the tone from whisper quiet to the signature smooth fun sound to create your own personal sound cocoon. Hyper efficient broadlet DC motor power the fan and the internal impeller broadlet motor are 60% more efficient and much quieter than the Bruce motor that are used on most other turbo fan. This means that we can adjust from whisper quiet to the perfect fun run we know you will love. And already do you if you familiar with Snoot for a complete list of on available project plus check honest media and technical specifications for the list silent fan and sound machine. Jump over to the official bridge crowdfunding campaign by following the link below. Today's skill mark review break ultra silent fun and relaxing sound machine the end. Bye bye everybody, see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.